Hello guys, a very great evening to all of you. This is Amrit Kaur, your English mentor, and the agenda of this session here is that we will be discussing about the special details of APFC. So if we talk about EPFO, APFC is the desired post in here wherein we'll be discussing about the salary, the syllabus and the age. So make sure you are watching the video till the end. So going up to the first very important thing, which is the syllabus here. So before we go to syllabus, I would rather tell you a very important thing, which is actually very nice to hear, that guys, age limit is very high. It is very high, starting up from 18 to 35 years. So बच्चे यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो age limits है when we talk about for the post of EO and AO. एनफोर्समेंट ऑफिसर की बात करते हैं. फॉर दिस द एज लिमिट इज 18 to 30 years, बट फॉर APFC विच इज 18 to 35 years. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबा टाइम गैप है हमारे अंदर, हमारे एज के अंदर यहाँ पर. तो आई थिंक मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स कैन अपेयर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन. सो दिस इज द अबाउट द एज क्राइटेरिया हियर. टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिलेबस, विच इज़ अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हियर टू डिस्कस. So the following topics will be mentioned here. So I'll be discussing the topics in detail. थोड़ा सा डिटेल में हम टॉपिक्स को समझेंगे. यहाँ पर जब हम इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं, बेसिकली द कैंडिडेट हैज़ टू अगेन एग्जामिन द बेसिक इंग्लिश. So understanding of the English language and the use of the words. So I also have a gist of the syllabus for this. इसको हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे इसके बाद. टॉकिंग अबाउट सम करंट इवेंट्स, सम डेवलपमेंटल इशूज, टॉकिंग अबाउट योर जनरल अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स विच इज ऑल्सो देयर. योर सम क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन माय डियर योर साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी होगा, एंड कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन के ऊपर बेस्ड भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर हैं. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट योर सोशल सिक्योरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, वो भी क्वेश्चंस इसके अंदर हैं. देन इट इज़ द इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. Of course, when we talk about the history part, this will be covered here. Then we have your Indian polity and economy. We have IR and labor laws, which is your industrial relations and the labor laws, जो कि आपके HR के कुछ rules के साथ related है. Talking about your general ability and quant, ये भी questions इसके अंदर आएंगे guys. थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में अगर डिस्कस करते हैं तो इंग्लिश सिलेबस की जब मैं आपके साथ बात करती हूँ गाइज, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द इंग्लिश सिलेबस हियर, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट. There are questions based on your reading comprehensions. Then you have some sentence completion and the para completion. You have cloze test and error spotting, fill in the blanks, para jumbles, idioms and phrases, some spellings, and then again this part is from your vocabulary. This is again from vocab. So for cloze test and blanks, आपके ग्रामर कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड वोकैबलरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. सिमिलरली इट गोज इन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट एज वेल. फॉर दिस अगेन आपके अगर ग्रामेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे हैं, दिस विल हेल्प यू टू मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस विद इन टाइम, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड देन बच्चे रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन की या फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट की बात करते हैं. अगेन यू नीड टू हैव योर ग्रामर कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड वोकैब ऑफ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग नेचर हियर. probably ग्रामेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड एक फिलर हो सकता है या फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट, या फिर एक वोकैब के ऊपर भी हो सकता है. बेसिकली फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट है, सो इट विल बी वोकैब बेस्ड, इट विल बी ग्रामर कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड, जहाँ पे आपके पास कुछ फ्रेजल वर्ब्स आ जाते हैं, फ्रेजल रिप्लेसमेंट के क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं. सिमिलरली, सो दिस इज एवरीथिंग व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट द इंग्लिश हियर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, फ्यू थिंग्स विच वी डिस्कस्ड हियर विल ऑल्सो be the part of your APFC syllabus. So syllabus we have discussed. Age, I told you, it is a very good number of years are mentioned here, 18 to 35 for the post of APFC, and for the post of EO/AO it is 18 to 30. Now something which is again playing a very important and vital role here is the salary, my dear. तो बात करते हैं गाइज सैलरी की, जो कि अगेन बहुत ही अच्छा रोल प्ले कर रही है. प्लस apart from salary, I will be telling you what all are the allowances. So with the salary, allowances क्या क्या हैं वो भी हम जल्दी से यहाँ पर एक फटाफट से एक ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं. ठीक है गाइज, तो बेसिक सैलरी यहाँ पर है 56,100 की, जिसके अंदर वी आर गेटिंग द डियरनेस अलाउंस ऑफ अराउंड 18,000 रुपीज़. We are getting the HRA also for around 12,000 to 30,000. A good amount is there. Talking about the TA, which is the transport allowance, my dear, this is 4,968, close to 5,000 rupees. And then we have your FMA here, which is 2,000. So here the salary will be varying from 85,000 to 1,02,656. This is the variation. This is the variation, and it can also be till 1,77,000 also. Talking about all the allowances, right? Now when we discuss about the allowances, there are certain allowances also which are included in the APFC salary, जो कि आपको include होकर के मिलेंगे in your in hand salary. So there are some dearness allowances, there are house rent allowances, there are transport allowances, FMA is there, and city compensatory allowances, which is CCA, ये भी इसके अंदर included होता है. So this is your DA, this is your HRA, this is your TA, FMA, this is CCA, and this is your washing allowances. तो ये सब कुछ मिला करके salary will be again 1 lakh plus. It will be 1 lakh plus when we talk about your salary. So again, it is a very good amount, very handsome salary, very handsome amount will be given to all of you here. Sirf or sirf something. Now, cheeze aati hain guys, how you can grab this opportunity, means how you can prepare yourself for this particular examination. So here we have good amount of things which are available in front of you guys. So we here have a special batch for EPFO focusing your enforcement officer, and special batch for APFC which is your assistant provident fund commissioner. So दोनों के batches जो हैं, they are starting from 3rd of March, which is just after 2-3 days now. And आज जो है guys, आज today there is the double validity, means something whichever you are buying is valid for 2 years now. एक छोटी सी टेस्ट सीरीज भी है. इफ इन केस यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू बाय द पैक, आप टेस्ट सीरीज भी बाय कर सकते हैं. अदर दैन दिस वी ऑल्सो हैव अ महापैक अवेलेबल हियर. Other than this, we have a Mahapack available here. So for this Mahapack, if in case you are ready to make sure that both the preparations are happening in one batch, means you are covering your EO and AO for EPFO, and for EPFO, APFC also, if you want both the things shall be covered in one particular batch, for that we have a Mahapack. सेपरेटली करना है तो फॉर EO अकाउंट्स फॉर एनफोर्समेंट अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर AO की बात करते हैं तो ये सिर्फ AO की एक टेस्ट सीरीज है. सिमिलरली वी हैव EO टेस्ट सीरीज एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव अ टेस्ट सीरीज फॉर APFC. Right guys, so you can use this code to get the maximum discount in the batches, or for any test series it is Y536S is the code here. Now the point is ki bache, how you can avail this particular thing. So I will be conveying you that thing. You will be going to Adda 24/7 to the main website. Herein you will be typing in going to UPSC. Here you have UPSC ka Mahapack. So this is the Mahapack in which you have EPFO, AFC, EO and AO. Everything is added. देखिए गाइस, सारी चीज़ें इसमें completed हैं. Complete course APFC, EO and AO. All the courses are completely there. Again, going up to buy now. Here the code will be Y536 and apply. You will see for 2 years, for probably 2 years. With the code, this particular code, you are getting 77% discount for 2 years. Clear? This is clear? Perfect. Going back to here, this particular part, we have a special batch which is available for your for EPFO, AFC, APFC. This is the EPFO batch. Again, a Mahapack, a special pack for APFC. If I click on to this particular batch, everything, all the syllabus, all the topics are covered. Some certain videos are also mentioned here. And also, my dear, a complete study plan will also be there if in case you go and check this. So here you have Y536. Apply करके देखेंगे guys. 2 years के लिए double validity. So again, you have at 3,400 rupees. This is applicable to you guys. Now when we talk about something more special, going back here, I would rather show you that how you can go on to some specific test series. Now we have test series for EO and AO and APFC. तो अगर हम APFC के टेस्ट सीरीज पे यहाँ पर जाके देखेंगे guys, herein you can put up the code Y536S and apply, and you will see just at 389 for 1 year, 140 tests are available, and this big amount of salary, which is 1 lakh plus, will be in your own account, guys. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you would have loved the session. If you have any questions, you can drop in your comments in the comment box. Thank you guys and all the best.